Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
National Vice President jangka National People's Party ba Preston Tensong hakasngi ba ar la Pynskhem ke Nongkitkam jangka West Shillong constituency ha ringkat kijing sakilang jong State President Dr. W.R. Kharluki MDC jangka Ramprai constituency ba bajak pengrup ka Dr. Jasmine Lingdo bat kuwe-kuwe ki Nongkitkam jangka NPP 18 West Shillong Assembly constituency ba kentup ba Rishan Rapsang kum President ba Sunny El Kriem kum Working President ba Rishan Nongsit kum Vice President bat kiwe-kiwe de kinoyalam bahkmat hakini skila Pynskhem ru ikshna trekam jong ki kenthai da ka bathung ya ka kong Bina Lama kum ka President ka kong Margaret Nongbet bat ka kong Finomina Ringki kum ki Vice President ka kong Susan Marbanyang kum ka General Secretary bat kiwe-kiwe bat nakabenta katna trekam jong ki samla la bensyat ka kam President hau ba walam kupar Lingdo bat uba kiri thaba kum General Secretary.
The National People's Party, as you know, is a party which has reached 10 years old and is the only party from northeastern India which is recognized by the Election Commission. And the most important thing about this party is that it has spread its wings not only in Meghalaya but all over the country. As you know, way back in 2013, our party, the National People's Party, had only 2 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly out here in the state of Meghalaya. But I'm very happy to inform you that today the National People's Party is the single largest party in Meghalaya and has 7 MLAs in Manipur, has MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, has MLAs in Nagaland and all other parts of the northeastern states. That is the sign that the people of northeast India have love for the National People's Party. The National People's Party, its ideology is to work for all, not looking at any caste or creed or religion, but to work for the development of the state of Meghalaya. Friends, as we know, me myself, going back to the past, why I have joined the National People's Party also. I have been a Congress member for the past 8 years, but I am tired to see the infighting going on in the Congress Party. And as I move on in my constituency, the people of my constituency have suggested me that if you join any other political party, it's better you join the National People's Party. And here today, I'm so happy to be in this party, having humble leaders like our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, our Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tensong, our Honorable MP of the Rajya Sabha, and so many leaders where us youths can connect with the top brass of the party. We don't have our headquarters outside, but our headquarters is here in our beloved state, Meghalaya. Friends, as we know, elections is approaching in few months' time. I would request you all that when you go and cast your vote, cast with all your heart and soul for the National People's Party. The best part about the National People's Party is that so many sitting MDCs, sitting MLAs, they are on the queue of joining the National People's Party. Because we know from the support of the people for the National People's Party, we are confident that the National People's Party will form the next government in 2023.
Srimati June Warba, Shri Rishan Nongsit, Vice President, and Sri Jones Imley. Sri Mike Pakentine. Sri Arif A. Khongsit. Sri Daniel Rapsang. Treasurer. Otherwise, now secretary. Sri Molay Ghosh. Come on, get big hand. Big loud hand, loud. Yeah, Sri Wanda Paswat. Srimati Sri Robin Chetri. Sri Roshan War.
Our joining the NPP, although it is for obvious reason, but importantly, we realize that it is the only political party in the state that is truly concerned for the people's welfare and development. The NPP, which not only talk but also deliver, and in ground reality, it is there for all for us to see. Under the dynamic and able leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sauma, who is also the National President, the party has taken keen and personal interest to ensure that the deeds, not words, are his priority to take the step forward, and he, along with his cabinet colleagues, which comprises of alliances with other political parties, has put in their best of effort to address many vital issues and have initiated many development programs that have benefited the general public and youth in particular. And as such, I am pleased to be associated with this political party, that is the NPP, and I look forward to working together in days to come with everyone in the party, and I also appeal to all my party members of our bloc committee that we should leave no stone unturned, and to make certain that the NPP legislature from this 18 West Shillong constituency will win the coming general election in 2023 with a huge margin and with a thumping majority.
The beauty of tonight's gathering for all of us is, in the name of NPP, we are in this place. We are united and we are one. Almost 5 years now we completed running the government. I never expected that NPP will be able to step in your constituency. Here is the plan of Almighty, which is ultimately we are together here tonight, and also we will grow together henceforth. I'm so proud of myself to be in this place, which is known as a cosmopolitan place or constituency. Seeing one by one, when all of you are part and parcel of the bloc NPP, West Shillong constituency, all representative, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Here we are a complete India. This is what I wanted to tell you. I express my gratefulness to see that the 18 West Shillong are seen as one, be it in the state level or be it in the national level. So here I am part of this family. Thank you so much, friends. When I go back home, I'll start learning Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, so on and so forth. Just few months back, I would like to tell you few developmental activities has happened here in your constituency. And let me tell you one scheme which is being sanctioned now is ambulance. Hopefully CM will be able to come and inaugurate and launch the ambulance which is being sanctioned now. Then we have more small schemes, be it solar light, be it electric light, and also be it the beautification of your center over there, which is called, what do we call it? That point of Kerbom. In Kerbom Point, we have already accorded sanction 2.5 plus crores, and this beautification will be completed at the earliest possible. So these are the issues where I would like to share with all of you that the government is showing its responsibility to the people of the 18 Shillong West constituency. Next point is, we have decided also from the government side that we are going to strengthen the security services in and around this constituency. So we wanted to see that you all feel secure at any point of time. So here is the official communication where the government would like to inform all of you that the government is all out with all of you at any point of time as far as maintaining law and order and also peace in this particular constituency. I am so happy also when our state president, Dr. Khaluki, has confirmed the office bearers of the block NPP here in your constituency under the leadership of Ba Deng Rapsang, whom we used fondly call him, and then Ba Soni Karian, along with the team, the youth, the women, all of you. I wishes you all the best, and please work harder from tomorrow till we become victorious in the coming general election. Since last year, I think you must be aware, government has taken initiative to launch Focus 1. We call it Focus 1. And this Focus 1, when we took initiative, when we launched it, we were targeting those SSG self-help group, women help self-help group, where we used to give them 5,000 rupees per member. If they are 10 members, each SHG, they are getting the working capital, I should say, 50,000 rupees. And now we are in a stage where each and every SHGs throughout the state in getting all these working capitals to all of them. And recently, this year, we again taken an initiative, the second phase of Focus, which is known as Focus Plus. Focus Plus, we already launched in Karo Hills, and some parts of this site also we launched. So for your benefit, I would like to tell you, please understand, through this block, through this committee, if you want to meet me or you want to meet CM, please make sure to meet us. We can explain to you more details how to avail again this financial assistance. At this time, we wanted to give it individually. 5,000 rupees again to each individual household, weaker section. And we wanted to complete this mission as early as possible. From this constituency, I would like to tell you, please submit the names of 4,000 households. 4,000 households at the rate of 5,000 each household through the committee. And I would request, as I said, to all the office bearers, you can come and meet me, and you can also come and meet the Honorable Chief Minister at any time convenient to both of us. Because this again, NPP-led government. Now we wanted to focus that the government is partnering with the weaker section of people in the state of Meghalaya. And we wanted also to make sure that their economical condition is improved through this initiative taken in the name of Focus Plus. Di bawah bantuan politik isu kasyong haki, then I assure you, relocation of our friends from Yomolo will not be shifted to this side. The scope communicate ya kena ke decision ka bangi na kalian ka government mission, but pin sayo isu hakini kisni ke banguan ya ka ka lentia ka bangi na ka sarkar ngin tang ba ka way ka mga kwa banong ya pi. Relocation has to take place. Kipat ba ante hiyo molong kila sito. Kibapli kiperlok jongi. Kibla syakri ke jela jongi palat yang san posnet. Kakam sdeu kate kiri ban di keslom. Tingi kwa ban shift yaki. Kidei kidok kisna. Kibaya donkan ban ni kamikla. Ngimla ban klet ki jela bahajong. Tambang ni hapru. Ya ban pet ya ke jingbit ke jingbiang lang. Jong kipat ba. Kejelam mereka, bat kumjuru na kemuta jong kitu kipai ba, lani kipara kidmen di jongi, kibala trei ban syakri ban ni hangde hak kejelam mereka ya. Kita kikenting dia bang kuat ban persai ban persutu hakmat jongpi, and all of us Once again, before I conclude my speech, I would like to request all of you, the newly constituted committee, let us work harder and please assure us the candidates of NPP, which is also to be decided by the bloc, not by Dr. Karaluki, not by Pak Preston. The candidate whom you are going to propose, you send it to us, we will just blindly approve it. Maybe you want Pak Pres also, Pak Preston to contest from here, I don't know, or Pak Adeng. But as I said to you, we already entrusted to the newly constituted committee. Choose your candidate, anyone you decided, we will just approve it, and we will wholeheartedly working together with the NPP bloc, West Shillong.